Okay. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Good evening. The last class, what you done? I think we started application of integrals. Is correct?
Yes, sir.
Uh, I think before left the end the session I gave one problem to you. Find the area of the circle. Are you completed?
Yes, sir.
On the time only I told the answer also. So what is the answer? 6 pi squares units and pi a square. But all of you, should remember that one. In examination, you should write now clearly. Understood now? Each and every step. Compulsory by using integrations only we have to find. By using integrations only we have to find that. Yes. Right. Next one. Right. Next. Find the area of the ellipse. Find the area of the ellipse.
Sir, can you repeat once again? I couldn't hear it.
Find the area of ellipse. Area of ellipse. I think ellipse equation you know very well that one. What ellipse equation we have? X square by a square plus
Y
y square
square,
by b
B
square
square
equal to
equal to 1.
this ellipse equation. Okay, find the area of the ellipse. Here a condition we know that one where a greater than b by the method of integration by the method of integration by the method of integration and hence find area of ellipse. Find area of ellipse. Find area of ellipse. X square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. Directly the last for essay question only. It's not short answer. That means first you can say now. For this equation, they give the condition very clearly a greater than b. That means the value of a is more and the value of b is less. Then that ellipse we will get along with the x-axis or y-axis. That means we get the horizontally or vertically. Anyone? In the ellipse equation, if a is more than b, if a is more than b, then that ellipse is will get either horizontally or vertically. The idea is more important to us. Please tell me. Suppose if you take an this is the x and y axis here now, y, x dash and y dash origin. Here the value of a equal to more. The value of a is more means then generally what is the meaning of this a square here now? This a we have to take point on the x axis. See b is the point on the y axis we have to take always. A is more means definitely from here to the length will be more and from vertical the length will be less it is. So the ellipse will be clearly we are getting here now horizontally. All of you should remember that. If A is more and B is less, the ellipse will be always we are getting horizontally. Suppose A less than B, the ellipse we will get now vertically like this. That means here now this is the O means this point is A comma 0. This point is 0 comma B. 0 comma B here. And one more thing, these all the parts are same or different? Please tell me. These all 4 parts are equal or different? That also more important to us. The parts are same or different? These 4 parts same or different?
Same.
Suppose you can take same only because it is the A comma 0 means the center. From center to the ellipse, if taken either horizontal or vertical, the distance will be always equal. So this is we call as the minus A comma 0. This point. This is the minus B comma 0 comma minus B. All 4 parts will be same. It's like area of the circle, the same procedure again. Just you can find now area of the one part you can find. Then you can take 4 times. Then the area of the ellipse we will get. The area of the ellipse. That means 4 into integration of the limits also. Then what will take here now? 0 to A is the limits. We take it on the x-axis. The limits will be from 0 to A. From 0 to A. All of you 1 minute.
Sorry, sir, I joined late. Can you just give a glance?
Okay.
Sorry, sir, I joined late. Can you give a glance?
Just now I started. Just I gave the problem. Already last class we done the circle, but this is the ellipse. Okay. So we got now this is the clearly the ellipse will be horizontally we got now, but we have to find this area means then we have to take the limits will be the limits on the x-axis means from 0 to A. And on the time just I gave the conditions very clearly. Suppose if you take the limits from 0 to B, then clearly we have to take here now integration of 0 to B x into dy. The condition should remember that one. The limits we are taking on the x-axis, the function should be compulsory y into dx. Suppose that limits we are taking on the y-axis, the function should be x into dy. That one you can remember that whatever they're asking problem in examination, it will be very easy.
Sir,
Okay.
can you repeat?
The limits then compulsory we have to find the integration means we required now in the limits we required now. That limits suppose we are taking on the x-axis, that means the integration we will get integration of 0 to A y into dx. Remember this one, y into dx. I mean the function will be y. The limits we are taking on the y-axis, then the limits will be 0 to B we will get. Then the function will be x into dy. The two changes just you can remember all of you. Any problem they're asking here now. So because suppose we are taking the limits on the y-axis, but here we wrote now y into dx, the 100% will get wrong answer. Even if evaluator also immediately by seeing the starting only, then he'll get the idea. When you take this one means immediately without seeing any other other solution, it is just they'll put the one small into mark. Understood? So this is the more important. Should remember that. Now you can write the procedure. First you can tell me now what is the given equation we have. Given equation. The given ellipse equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is given. The limits we are taking on the x-axis now. I mean 0 to a we are taking. The limits we are taking on the x-axis. The clear, then what we have to find now? The value of y we have to find. Am I correct? The value of y we have to find. So you can take clearly. So y square by b square is equal to this x square by a square right this side now. 1 minus x square by a square. 1 minus x square by a square now. Next you can take a square is the LCM here. A square is the LCM. So a square minus x square. And anyhow, you know very well that a power m by b power m is equal to a by b whole power m. So this function you can write now y by b whole square is equal to a square minus x square whole by a square. Y by b whole square equal to a square minus x square by a square. Now find the value of the whole square also right this side now. The value of this also right this side clearly. Then what will get once you observe that? So therefore, y by b is equal to square root of a square minus x square whole by a square. This one you can write now root of a square minus x square whole by root of a square means a only. So therefore, the value of y is equal to b also right this side. So we will get clearly b by a into root of a square minus x square. This is the value of y. Now we are taking on the limits here now. Then you can write. So therefore, area of the ellipse is equal to area of ellipse equal to total how many parts we have? 4 parts are there, 4 equal parts. So 4 into integration of the limits will be 0 to a, 0 to a, the y into dx, y into dx. Now we can simplify it. Okay, that y equal to already just now we got the value of y b by a into root of a square minus x square. Just now we got that one. You can substitute in there now. So all of you do one thing. I think place is not sufficient. This question you can copy once. All of you. This question once you copy that. Copy this question all of you.
So this answer has all the steps, right? Like,
Oh yes, yes, yes. All the steps. Okay. Just to copy this question because I'll rub this one and I'll write the continuation top on this. Problem almost the problem is done because the root of a square minus x square formula we have. This is the
Sir.
actual proof of. Oh yes, tell me. Andrew.
sir, if b is greater than a, then
Then we will get like
and-
this. We will get like this.
yeah, but the
But area will be
procedure
same.
and the all the steps
Area will be same. Yes, all the steps will be same. Okay. All the steps will be same. The area also will get same. You will get. But when it will be means maybe suppose here in this question only they're asking here now. After finding the area of this ellipse and hence find the area of the ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9. So on the time we will get changes. Okay.
How changes, sir?
Because it is the area 14 is given. No? Then value of a equal to how much? 4. The
And
b equal to how much? 3.
3.
That means numbers we are taking means then we'll get changes now. But area will be
Yes,
same.
sir.
Okay.
Area formula will be same.
Area of the ellipse will be same always. The continuation you can write now. Substitute in there. So therefore, 4 into integration of 0 to a, 4 into integration of 0 to a, y equal to just now we got b by a into root of a square minus x square into dx. So 4 into integration of anyhow it is the b by a also you can common, you can take constant value, take outside now. So this is the 4b by a integration of 0 to a root of a square minus x square into dx. Now tell me the formula. Root of a square minus x square. Root of a square minus x square. What is the formula we have?
X by 2 under root a square minus a square plus e by 2
X
sin
by
inverse
2
x by
under root
a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a, sir.
sin inverse x by a. But here what is the x value here now? X equal to
A, sir.
write separately. So that implies 4b by a into whole into x by a na? X equal to x by a into root of,
So x by 2.
sorry, x by 2 into root of a square minus x square. Correct. Next.
Minus
Minus
a square by 2.
a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. Correct. Sin inverse of x by a. This is the formula we
So
have.
plus a
Plus,
square.
sir.
This is the 0 to a, na? The limits will be 0 to a. Now, already yesterday we done the different integrals. So, compare you can take here the upper limit minus lower limit and follow the same procedure. So, here you can write 4b by a, you can write as it is only, constant value. First, you can a, you can substitute in place of x, a by 2 into, I think anyhow, it's become the 0 only. Because x equal to a means a square. You want, you can write now root of a square minus a square plus, here also a square by 2 into sin inverse of x equal to a means a by a now. And if taken 0 means, but 0 by 2 equal to 0, but 0 and anything equal to 0 only. And here also 0 by a equal to 0, but sin inverse of a equal to 0 degrees only, but 0 and anything equal to 0. So clearly you can write now 0 this. Okay. Now this entire term it's become at 0. Correct or not? Because a square minus a square equal to 0. Root 0 equal to 0 only, but 0 and anything equal to 0. So 4b by a into only this term is the remaining. So this is a square by 2 into sin inverse of a by a equal to 1. Sin inverse of 1 equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 now. So clearly a and square will be cancelled and 2 to the 4 also cancel. And what about remaining? Pi ab na? Is correct. Pi into ab square units. This is the area of the ellipse. Area of the ellipse. Okay. Anywhere, suppose even in the mensuration also, any mensuration also, suppose you require now, if they given any problem like this, I think this problem only, we have to find the area of x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. So directly you can find the value of a, value of b, you can find the both the value of a and b can substituting in pi ab. Understood now? Then the area of the ellipse will get. Standard formula. Already yesterday we got the area of the circle formula we got by using integrations. This is the area of the ellipse.
So by using integration, can we get the area, the perimeter or like circumference?
No, this is the by using integration, but in this concept, but we are not finding any perimeter kind of thing, only area, bounded region. Area of the bounded region. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Write this. Area equal to pi ab square units. And continuation, they are asking one more question here now. What is that? And hence find the area of x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. And this is the compare with x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So the 16 can be written as 4 square and 9 can be written as 3 square. So clearly the value of a equal to 4 and the value of b equal to 3. So therefore area of the ellipse is equal to area of ellipse equal to pi into ab square units substitute in there. So pi into 3 into 4 equal to 12 pi square units. 12 pi square units is the answer. Okay, then you will get full marks in examination. And here now finding the area of triangle is there. That is will get more lengthy, but more important to you. I think definitely 100% will get examination. They'll give the 3 vertices of triangle they'll give, and we have to find the area of the triangle, not by using the formula, by using integrations.
So
If you
there are properties in
uh,
definite integrals.
but the properties of integrals, but here we are not utilizing that. We will utilize. Actually, we have different integrals. We have some property. On that time, I will tell you. Okay, when I'm doing that method,
Okay.
on that time I will tell the properties, because sometimes that limits will get some different.
No,
Okay.
so I was just asking because in the definite integrals is deleted, but still in school they are doing it. So
That is the meaningless, because we have to do this chapter means, but definite integrals are important.
okay, so
Okay.
why they are teaching properties and all? That's why I was
Yes, because it's compulsory. That is required.
okay, sir.
Without knowing definite integrals, but we can't do this chapter. But CBS people also just reducing your burden. That's all. That's why they read that one. But we have to learn. They told very clearly. They deleted the poster means that only for examination point of view only. Okay, they're not deleted permanently. But later, suppose you are going to write any competitive examination means compulsory we require that. Compulsory we required definite integrals.
Sir,
We have to prepare.
so this year exams will be in February, sir.
It's not in February. Maybe it will come that March or April. Okay.
Oh,
1 or 2 months, maybe we get late delay, because it is the maybe
So,
we
but
are
they are saying they will do it in this from they'll start from February mid.
February actually, but now also everybody telling the same thing only. Definitely they'll postpone that, I think, because in some few colleges
sir, it
still
will not.
okay, you are the government, okay, the private college means it's fine that. Then what about government colleges? Is correct. In
Yes,
government
sir.
colleges,
Yes, sir.
maybe they won't
The
start.
screen is getting blurred, sir. It's showing your internet connection as well.
Oh, now
So it's clear only, sir.
Yes,
It's
sir.
I think
Now,
internet issue.
now it's clear, sir. Before
uh,
it was showing red lines for you, sir, and it became blur.
okay, we'll do next one now.
Yes, sir.
Right now, I'll you just try yourself. All of you can try yourself and tell me the answer. Right. Find the area of the region. Area of find the area of region. Find the area of region.
So can you repeat, sir? I was not able to hear because of it.
Find the area. The area. The area of region. Region bounded by bounded by bounded by the ellipse, bounded by the ellipse, bounded by the ellipse, x square by 4, x square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Okay, start now. Now first you can tell me that graph, you can tell me the ellipse you will get a horizontally or vertically. That is important first.
Vertical.
Vertically you will get. So if you take in the vertically, that limits will be Tell me the limits.
So we can take limits on still on
Anything.
that
Yes, you
x
can take.
axis.
That is, you can take. You can take. Okay. You can take. We are taking the x-axis. What you get? The limits will be 0 to 3. Sorry, 0 to 2. 0 to 2. Yes, for the same procedure. Okay. Find it, all of you. Because I think already you got the idea now. But don't write direct formula. But we have to prove each and every step we have to write. Already we know the formula directly pi AB, but don't apply directly. Okay. Already clearly we got the area will be what you get. A equal to 2, A equal to 2 and B equal to 3. So 2, 3 are 6 pi. 6 pi square units. Answer we got. But don't apply that. But we have to write the procedure step by step. We have to write in examination. Clearly can write. First give an equation. Given ellipse equation. X square by 4 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. And compulsory diagram also more important to us. That diagram also more important. So clearly can write. If taken x and y axis, x axis and y axis, and x dash and y dash no origin. So we'll get like this. The ellipse will get like this. So this is the point we call as the 2 comma 0. This point I can take here no 0 comma 3. So this is the bounded region. Actually bounded region, the full thing is the bounded region. Just you can find the area of the one part and 4 times you can take. Just tell me.
Sir, if I don't draw the diagram, they'll deduct marks, sir.
Yes, compulsory. Without diagram, suppose you wrote the answer means definitely they'll reduce your marks. Okay. The limits will be 0 to 2. Then find the value of y you can find. Same procedure. Y square by 9 equal to 1 minus x square by 4. Okay. The remaining you can find yourself.
Sir,
Ah,
it should be y is equals to 3 by 2 root 4x minus x square, no, sir.
y equal to 2 by 3 root of 4
So it
minus
should,
x square.
it should be 3 by 2, no, sir.
3 now, how to get 3 amma? 3, how to get 3 by 2 here? This 3 we are writing this side only, no?
Yes, sir.
3 by 2 you'll get, okay. This one, sorry. 3 by 2. This is then what will get this value? 4 is 12 by 3, na? 12 by 3 means you can write 4, correct? Hmm.
Sir, if I take the
Uh,
on y-axis, sir, then how will I integrate, sir?
take on y-axis.
Yes, sir.
So in this case, you can take here now integration of 0 to 3. X into dy we have to take. So based on this equation, first you can find the value of x you can find. So what will get x square by 4 equal to 1 minus y square by 9. Okay. Then what is the meaning of 4 here now? You can write now 2 means x by 2 whole square. X by 2 whole square. So definitely the value of x by 2 equal to clearly will get root of 9 minus y square by 9. So x by 2 equal to you can write now root of 9 minus y square by 3. So the value of x equal to 2 by 3 into root of 9 minus y square. Okay. Now this function you can substitute in there now. So integration of 0 to 3, 2 by 3. Here also you can write now 4 into root of 9 minus y square into dy. Then you can find it. So that implies 2 4s are 8 will get now 8 by 3 into integration of 0 to 3 root of 3 square minus y square into dy. So 8 by 3 into, again the same procedure, x by 2, that means you can write now y by 2 into root of 9 minus y square plus a square by 2 means 9 by 2 into sine inverse of y by 3, y by 3 to 0 to 3 you can take. Now I can write now 8 by 3 into, so if taken 3 by 2 into 0 clearly plus 9 by 2 into sine inverse of 1. Sine inverse of 1 equal to clearly will get pi. And 0 we are taking means everything becomes at 0 only. So 8 by 3 into 0 1 this value. So 9 by 2 into sine inverse of 1 equal to pi by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And 3 in this number 3 times. So 2 3s are 6 into pi square units. Okay. This is we are taking on the y-axis. The limits we are taking on y-axis. Also we got the same answers, 6 square, 6 pi square units. If take on the x-axis also we'll get the same thing. But these problems we have to solve in the examination. The in time means we require the more practice, or else it will take so much time. We'll get the answer, but it
These
will
are
take
3
more
mark
time.
questions, sir.
This is 3 marks, but previous I gave find the area of the ellipse and hence find the value. The same you find the area of the circle and hence find the area of the other equation. Okay, that question they'll ask for essay questions. And this kind of small question they'll ask for 3 marks.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, in any case, can it be integration of 3 to 0, sir?
integration of 3 to 0, it's not possible. When I give the different integral definition on the time, I told very clearly. Always the value of A must be less than B. Understood now? 3
Yes,
to
sir.
0, it's not possible. 0 to 3 only.
Okay, sir.
Once I can see the definition of a different integral. Next one, right? Find the area bounded by ellipse. Find the area bounded by ellipse. Bounded by ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and ordinate x equal to 0 and x equal to AE where b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square, 1 minus e square, and e less than 1, and e less than 1. But in this one, but don't think like it is the already we done this question. The previous one is different, this is the different. But here what they're asking here now, just we have to find the area of the bounded by this ellipse and these two ordinates. That means x equal to 0 is the one line and x equal to a is the second line. Suppose you've taken x equal to 0, then where you get this point, please tell me that line x equal to 0. Where you get that line? X equal to 0. What is the line here? Anyone?
Y-axis.
Y-axis. X equal to AE means it is parallel to the y-axis.
Y-axis.
So you can take the diagram.
So what is written after a square? Like it's
A square into
it's like
the curve bracket.
into. Okay.
A square into 1 minus e square is the into it is dot product, and e less than 1. So x, y, x dash and y dash and 0 and 0. The ellipse generally, but default they are not getting any condition, means default you will take always horizontally. Will take always horizontally. This is the line x equal to 0. And one more line, then where will get the x equal to AE? X equal to AE. Suppose that x equal to AE, we got here. This is the line x equal to AE. X equal to AE. Now, since the area bounded by ellipse and x equal to 0 and x equal to A, then what do you get? Tell me now. This only area, correct? Correct only, na? This is the area. Now this area we have to find. We have to find this area means, then what are the limits we'll take here now? Suppose the limits you can take, already all of you should remember that one. The top part and bottom part, these two will be same or different? Tell me anyone. These two parts are same or different?
Same.
Same. That means just you can find the area of the one part, it's enough. Area of the one part you can find, double it. That means 2 into area of the first part. 2 into area of the first part you can take clearly like this. Okay. The limits will be 0 to AE. So we have to find this one. We are taking the limits on the x-axis. By using this equation, what we have to find now? We have to find the value of y we have to find. The value of y we have to find. You can find now. Given, what is given ellipse equation here? X square by a square plus y square by b square, y square by b square is equal to 1. Now find the value of y here. Already we done previous. Y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square. X square by a square. Now take LCM here. A square is the LCM. So a square minus x square. So this one you can write now. Y by b whole square is equal to a square minus x square whole by a square. That implies, so the value of y by b is equal to square root of a square minus x square whole by root of a square means a. So that implies the value of y is equal to b by a into square root of a square minus x square. A square minus x square. Now this one you can substitute in there and you can find the result. The limits also you can take. What are the limits here now? 0 to ae. So therefore, area of bounded region equal to area of bounded region is equal to 2 into, why I am taking 2 here means, but two parts will be equal. The limits will be 0 to ae y into dx, y into dx. So 2 into integration of 0 to ae. So the value of y equal to how much? Clearly we got b by a into root of a square minus x square, a square minus x square into dx. Okay, so that implies 2 into integration of 0 to b by a also you can take outside now. So 2b by a you can take outside. So integration of 0 to ae root of a square minus x square into dx. Now we can apply the formula. 2b by a into 2b by a into integration of root of a square minus x square equal to, clearly we know that x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a, sin inverse of x by a plus c. The limits you can take here 0 to ae, 0 to ae. Okay, now all I can substitute in there now. First upper limit minus lower limit you can take. So this is the area equal to 2b by a into, so upper limit. So this is the ae by 2 into root of a square minus ae whole square plus a square by 2 into, this is you can write now sin inverse of x equal to ae by a minus, if taken 0 means clearly 0 by anything equal 0, but 0 isn't 0 only, clearly you will get 0, leave that. So 2b by a into, this is the clearly you can write now ae by 2 into, I think from this what is the common, tell me, ae whole square equal to, clearly you can write now a square into e square. So square root of, if taken a square is the common, 1 minus e square, this same thing only they given value here now. A square into 1 minus e square equal to how much? B square. That's what they given. Plus a square by 2 into the sin inverse, a will be cancel, a cancel. So sin inverse of e, sin inverse of e now. I can simplify all of you that. The problem is done. And this is equal to, clearly can write now b square, root of b square equal to, will get b. Will get b only. And when you multiply this, all the conditions, when you multiply all those things. So I think clearly b will get cancelled in these two terms here now. Or also one step you can write now. Top on this. So area equal to 2b by a into ae by 2 into root of, that is the clearly can write now root of b square plus a square by, this is the 2b by a into a square by 2 sin inverse e, sin inverse of e. A will be cancelled, 2 to also cancel. So it is the root of b square equal to b only, and b into b equal to b square e plus a and square will be cancelled and 2 to also cancel. So this is the ab into sin inverse of e. So if you want, you can take b common here now. So this is the be plus a into sin inverse of e square units. Square units. This is the area of the bounded region. area of a bounded region. Okay, but because we can't do anything, so directly can now stop there.
So can we get similar question?
Yes, yes, I'll give you. Okay. The similar question, one question right now. Right. Find the area enclosed between enclosed between the chord AB, and arc AB of the ellipse the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Just once think it and you can tell me that. Very easy. Find the area enclosed between the chord AB and arc AB of the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. What is the meaning of chord? What is chord?
A line segment bisecting a
Line
circle.
segment joining. It's not bisecting, joining.
Yes.
Joining in
Joining 2 points of circle.
points of a circle. 2 points on a circle is called a chord. Is correct. So here also you can take here clearly. This is the ellipse here. Ellipse. And suppose you can take here this point, you can take A, this point you can take here B. Correct? What do you call this one? Chord or inner? Because these 2 points on the circle.
Yes,
The
sir.
line segment joining 2 points on your circle is called a chord. This is the chord now. So what is required now? And what is the meaning of arc here? This is the AB arc. This is the we call as the arc. This is the we call as the chord. They're asking very
So,
clearly.
sir, if the chord is horizontal to x-axis, then still we can apply y dot dx and take limit as 0 to x.
0 to b na?
No, sir. How to, sir, if the chord is parallel to x-axis.
Okay,
Uh,
like this.
Yes, sir. If it is like that, then y dot dx will not be applicable, right? Because the x-axis do not have the limit.
Yes, you can take, but actually we can see the always easy way. Suppose the same chord we are taking like this. Okay, we have to find this area means then what required now? We have to do the some lengthy process means area of the semi-ellipse, area of the whole ellipse minus, but area of the trapezium we have to subtract it. That is a too lengthy.
Okay.
Correct.
Sir.
But if taken this condition, no, we have to
Yes, sir.
find this area now. It will be simply only no, very easy. Directly actually we are taking the circle chapter. What do you call this one? Segment. Correct. What do you call this? What do you call this? Sector.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? So area of the segment equal to area of the sector minus area of triangle. But here also we are doing the same thing. And what is the here intervals here means then a 0 to a. But clearly they mentioned very clearly that so the point a equal to what you get? A comma 0 na?
Yes, sir. That was my question. If the chord is parallel to x-axis, then what will be the limit on x-axis? Like for this question, it's 0 to a.
Based on that you can take care now. Here what is this point? No? 0 comma b. The limits will be 0 to a. Okay. The limit is 0 to a. What is that? Suppose we have to find this area of this shaded region means what first we can find the area of the 1/4 of ellipse. Correct. Means the area of the means integration of 0 to a based on the ellipse equation we have to take minus integration of 0 to a of this line. But we have to find this line also we have to find compulsory by using these 2 points. We know very well that line equation. A line passes through the points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. What line equation formula? Please tell me. A line passes through the points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Am I correct? Or else y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So by using that formula, by using these 2 coordinates, means by using these 2 points, first you can find this line also you can find. Then you can take area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Directly you can find it. Okay. Right now, given x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So therefore, now you can find the value of y, you can find now. Same thing only, I am taking directly. Anyhow, with the same thing. Y equal to, we will get b by a into root of a square minus x square. A square minus x square. Already we done so many times, then, but you can write clearly procedure that. And the points a comma b also we can find now. And the coordinates of a comma b are the point a is you will get no a comma 0 and b is 0 comma b. Now find the line equation. So therefore a line passes through the point a comma 0 and 0 comma b. The right can write also. Therefore the AB line is equal to AB line equal to, we know the formula, y minus y1 into x minus, that means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. The formula we know very well. Now you can take it, y minus y1 equal to b, sorry, 0 na, y minus 0 is equal to y2 minus y1. So b minus 0 by 0 minus a into x minus a. So the y equal to, will get clearly minus b by a into x minus a. And this also you can remember that. This equation for the ellipse, this equation for the line. This equation for the line. Okay. Now find the area. So therefore, area of bounded region is equal to area of bounded region equal to area of bounded region equal to, write clearly, integration of 0 to a, the first one, the ellipse equation we have to take here now. What ellipse equation we got? b by a into root of a square minus x square minus of integration of 0 to a, or else if you want, before taking this condition, write clearly that. So what is that? Area of the sector, area of sector minus area of triangle, then you can take 0 to a, b by a into root of a square minus x square minus 0 integration of 0 to a, this is the minus b by a into x minus a into dx. Here also you can write now into dx, Okay. Clear this all of you? If anyone anyone respond now. Up to this step. Clear? Up to this step clear now?
Sir,
Ah.
sir, I got disconnected, sir. Network issue. Can you explain again, sir?
Okay. I think this is the, you know very well. Based on the ellipse equation, we have to find the value of y, we know very well. Correct? Next, but generally we have to find the area of the segment, means then what is required now? Area of the sector. That means the area of the sector, when you are taking that one, we have to take the area of the limits, integration 0 to a, the ellipse equation we have to take, minus, when it is the triangle here now, integration of 0 to a, that line equation we have to take. That means that's why first I am finding the equation of line, I am finding the equation of line. So the vertex a equal to a comma 0, vertex b equal to 0 comma b, already we know very well that. And line equation, a line passes through the point x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So by using this formula and these 2 points, by using these 2 points, I find the line. The value of y I got now. Okay. Then I write in the formula, area of bounded region is equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. And how to find the area of the sector here means integration of 0 to a, the equation of the ellipse. Based on this equation of ellipse, we have to take. Clearly, the ellipse equation we got now. What is that? Y equal to b by a into root of a square minus b square. Generally, if you want, you can write one more step also. Integration of 0 to a y into dx minus integration of 0 to a y into dx. That you can take it. I can take here now. B by a is the constant value, take outside. And integration of 0 to a, this is formula we know very well that. All of you write clearly that x by 2 into root of a square minus x square, a square minus x square minus, okay, sorry, plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. sin inverse of x by a. Formula minus, here also minus into minus equal to will get plus. Integration of 0 to a into x minus a into dx is the second one. Clear that? But this is you can write now 0 to a only can write 0 to a. Now simplify this value. And here also what is the common, b by a is the common you can take outside. If you want the whole thing b by a will take an outside now from whole, this one first you can simplify that. Already a by 2, this is the clearly a by 2 into 0 will get plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of 1. Sin inverse of 1 minus 0 plus this is the integration of x minus a equal to x square by 2, x square by 2 minus a equal to you can write now ax. You also can write now 0 to a. 0 to a now. So b by a into, this is the clearly 0 only. The remaining values will be a square by 2 into sin inverse of 1 equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 plus upper limit minus lower limit. Here also we get now a square by 2 minus a square minus a square. That is clearly 0 by 2 equal to 0, 1, a into 0 equal to 0. So this is only remaining now. You can simplify that. B by a into a square pi a square by 4 plus a square by 2 minus a square. Just you can simplify that value. So therefore the area is equal to, you can write now b by a into, if you take in 4 is the LCM. So this is the pi a square plus 2a square minus 4a square. So b by a into pi a square minus 2a square whole by 4. So if you take in a is the common now, means a square is the common. So pi minus 2 whole by 4. A and square will be cancelled. So you can write now ab into pi minus 2 whole by 4 square units. Square units is the area of the bounded region. Area of the bounded region.
So the chord AB will be given in the figure, right?
The chord AB, they
Because
told
in the
only
question it's
AB only they
in the
told.
question.
They're not given the equation there. They're not given equation.
Yes. So if the equation of the chord will be x is equals to y equals to 0, then can you show how to solve?
What is that? The chord?
Yeah.
Please tell me that.
Chord parallel to x-axis means y is equals to 0. The equation of chord will be given. Then how to solve
Suppose
it?
like this, correct?
Yes, sir.
And these two parts are same or different? Same one, na?
Same.
When this area, you just you can find this area and double it. Correct? So in this case,
Yes, sir.
then what we have to do means from here first you can find the intersection point of these two you can find. The chord equation you will get. In this case, the value of x equal to how much? X equal to 0, na? This point.
So chord equation is already given,
Listen.
right?
What is the chord equation is given here now? I didn't see
It's
the problem.
parallel to x-axis.
Parallel to
The
x-axis.
chord is parallel to x-axis.
X equal to 0. Y equal to
X
0.
equals to 0.
Y equal to 0. The parallel to x-axis y equal to 0.
Yes, sir. Y equal to 0.
Correct. Y equal to 0 parallel to
Yes, sir.
x-axis. Now this is the line is y equal to 0 now. Direct integration of 0 equal to 0
Yes,
only,
sir.
na? Integration of 0 equal to 0 only. But in this case, then what you have to find? First, you can take this entire area we have to take. Area of the sector minus area of this part. Okay. So in this case, then what we'll do means.
So how will integrate? What will be the limits?
Listen. Okay. In this case, the y equal to 0 here. This point x equal to 0. This point equal to x equal to 0. Correct now. Intersection point you can find a man. This is the y equal to 0 actual line. Y equal to 0. And the intersection point of this one equal to what you get? 0 comma some point b na, or 0 comma y. 0 comma y means 0 to y you can take here now. 0 to y, and this point is the b. The intervals will get like this: 0 to y, 0 to y. From here to here, the same line you can take, same line. Understood now? Plus area of this one from here to here limit. Understood now? From here to here first, this entire thing you will get. Or else you do one thing now. From here to here, whole thing you can take. What is the integration of 0 to b? X into dy, one thing. X into dy minus this one you can subtract it. How to subtract this value? 0 to this point is the y only into x into dy. Okay? Clear now? And double it. Compulsory you have to take the 2 into double off you can take because 2 parts. Understood, Anirudh?
Yes, sir.
We require this area from the whole thing. That means from here to here, based on this ellipse equation you can take.
So we can't
This
take
one
limits
minus
of.
on the
Sir,
x-axis, sir.
that was my question. Can't we integrate with y dot dx and take limits on x-axis? But what
No.
will be our limits on
It's
x-axis?
not possible. Na? It's not possible. Suppose we are taking from here to here.
Yes, sir. That was my
That
question.
is not possible. So compulsory we have to take here only. So from 0 to b, one thing, we'll get complete thing you will get based on the ellipse equation. Minus from here to here. From here to here. Compulsory if they given like this means they'll give the equation here. It's not y, maybe y equal to 1 or y equal to 2, y equal to 3. Something they'll give you. Understood now? That means from 0 to 2 means 0 to 2. Integration of 0 to 2, okay, into x into dy. The same thing. From here to here you can take again ellipse equation. Subtract it. Then you'll get. Okay? That means, you know, after getting the problem, immediately we have to get some idea. All the questions are will get the same model. Just they'll ask only, we have to find the area of the bounded region we have to find. That's all. We have to find only area of the bounded region. That only our target. Okay. But just you're going to the one proper procedure, then easily you'll get the answers. Or else this one you can write one more also. Pi AB by 4 minus 2AB by 4 also you can write. Everything will be same. And based on that, I'll give the one problem to you. All of you can try yourself. I am not solving. You can try yourself only. Because it's the in terms of A and B, I'll give the solution to you. But now I'll give the numbers. That numbers compulsory we have to try yourself. See now in one problem only, we are finding the line equation also. Suppose we have to find the area of the triangle. And the time compulsory we have to find the 3 lines we have to find. That's why it will take more time. But a compulsory essay question. They last for 6 marks. Plus 2 means. And the PU means 5 marks. They'll give the 3 vertices. They'll ask directly, you find the area of the triangle by using integration. And that time just we have to find the 3 lines we have to find. Then we can apply the integration. It will take so much time. But procedure will be very easy. I think this is actually the second type it is. First type I didn't give you. But first type it's very easy. And it means directly we can find the area. It's not circle and ellipse, all those things. And they'll give the line, some parabola and line, like that they'll give. So once we complete, if we got the idea about ellipse means, then we're going to that same thing only. Then after that, when we'll discuss about the area of the triangle. Then almost the chapter is over. If we do that one means. And the circle and lines. And the circle and lines also we have. In the same way, parabola and one line, and parabola, two lines. Parabola, two
So
lines.
by what time? So by what time we'll complete the syllabus?
So
This is the October. Is correct. Integration already over
I
means.
had one more doubt, sir. When
Yes,
will
tell
we
me.
when will we start the grade 11 revision, sir?
Grade 11
Revision, sir.
revision. We'll do that after completing this portion. Almost we will complete by November. I'll try to complete the syllabus by November. Then later we will do that. Okay. See now, after completing this chapter and differentiation, it means the differential equations. Okay. Suppose I'll give the one complete 100 marks question paper means definitely PU student means definitely will get more than 80 out of 100. And plus 2 students, you also will get easily 60 plus after completing differential equations. But still we left the in how many vectors 3D and a probability and LPP 4 chapters we left. We left the 4 chapters also will get 60 plus easily. And remaining that 4 chapters we done means then we will score easily. That means what I'm saying means actually if you done without mistake, if you done this all the chapter means we will get around the 75 marks. The remaining 4 chapters will get now 20 plus. It will be the 100 marks paper. But PU students, but definitely we will get 80 plus. If you learn perfectly up to application of differential, that means differential equations,
So,
definitely will score.
so it's 80 marks paper in CBSE.
80 marks paper. Correct. That's why I told it is the 60. Okay. And remaining 20 marks further based on the remaining chapters. Because from the probability also we will get almost 67 marks we will get easily. Right, problem right now. This is all of you can try yourself. I am not solving this question. You can write now. In the diagram, comma, AOBA is a part of the ellipse, 9x square plus y square equal to 36 full stop in the first quadrant, comma, in the first quadrant, such that OA is equal to 2 and OB equal to 6 full stop find area between arc AB and the chord AB and the chord AB. Okay, I think I get the same model now. Same model, no difference at all. The diagram will be same diagram. And what are the points there means the length of OA equal to 2 means the point out at A equal to will get 2 comma 0. OB equal to 6 means the point at B equal to 0 comma 6. 0 comma 6. And what is the ellipse equation? Ellipse equation. They given here now. This one we have to change. How to change this? 9x square plus y square equal to 36. And 36 right is side now. So 9x square by 36 plus y square by 36 equal to 1. 9 in this number 4 times. So you can write clearly x square by 4 plus y square by 36 is equal to 1. This is the ellipse equation. But this ellipse will get now horizontally or vertically? This ellipse will get horizontal or vertically? Clearly we will get vertically. Okay, let's start. All of you just you can find yourself and you can tell me the answer. I will wait for you. I'm not solving that. You can draw the same diagram. The values you can change.
So diagram is given in the question, sir.
Hmm.
Diagram is given in the question.
Diagram? Huh? No, they are not giving any diagram. You have to draw yourself. Okay. Anyone got the answer?
So 6 into pi by 2 minus 1.
6 into
Pi by 2 minus 1.
6 into pi by 2 minus 1. 1 minute, right? 6 into pi by 2 minus 1. Huh? So 6 into 2 LCM means correct only. Pi minus 2, 3 times, correct. 3 into pi minus 2, correct. Remaining, only Tejshwini got answer. Because already I gave the formula to you. Previous problem we done already clearly. So whatever they given the points, first you can find the line equation, compulsory. Based on the given ellipse, first you can find the value of phi. One thing, and by in the points, they get the 2 points here now. That means 0, 2, 0 and 0, 6. We can find the line for the second condition. Kushi, got the answer? Kushi, respond.
Sir, I'm still doing, sir.
Likita,
I got, sir.
you got the answer?
Yes,
What
sir.
is the answer, sir?
Either 6 into pi by 2 minus 1 or 3 into pi minus 2. 3 into pi minus 2. Everything will be both are same only. Danush, you got the answer? Danush, respond.
Sir,
What the answer?
sir, voice is, sir.
Anirudh, Anjali, Bhanu Prasad, Chirag. And one more thing, it is the tomorrow no test for you because I am also not coming tomorrow. Okay, the test I'll give the next week, and Monday I'll take the class. Okay, because tomorrow I have small work is there. I'm going to my brother home it is, so tomorrow I am not coming.
So what's can you repeat?
Tomorrow I'm not coming to class. I'm not taking class tomorrow because it is the yes. I'm going to the some work is there now. I'm going outside. Tomorrow no examination to us.
Okay.
Yes, tomorrow no test. The test I'll give next week. But all of you prepared well?
Sir, next week, Friday, sir.
Next week it's not Friday. I will see that. But Monday I will tell you. But before only can prepared well. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, can we have test off timing? Not in the tuition hours, like before tuition or after tuition, something like that.
Yes, easy to pass out means
so
I
that
hide
we
the
can
problem.
even complete syllabus.
Yes, definitely. Okay. Because on that time it is the sir have to engage the class on that time. The remaining timings means the Saturday or Sunday means weekdays means. Okay, sir, if he tell it's okay, it's fine that.
So leaving Sunday.
Saturday.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just confirm.
Yes, yes. No, I'll discuss with the sir. Okay. I got the idea now. Okay.
Sir?
We'll meet on Monday again. Yes,
Sir?
tell me.
Sir, can you tell the answer to this question, sir?
Yes, I wrote here. See now. 6 into pi by 2 minus 1 or 3 into pi minus 2. Both are same. Anything. 6 into pi by 2 minus 1 or 3 into pi minus 2 square units. Anything. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, welcome.